But the big news coming in this hour is from Bangalore. An FIR has been registered against the Congress MLA who allegedly attacked police constables at a Bangalore pub. The constables claim the MLA, Vijayanand Kashapanavar, attacked them after they tried to click pictures of a bar that was open beyond the stipulated time limit. BJP workers protesting in Bangalore demanding action against the Congress MLA. The opposition has also demanded a debate on this matter in the State Assembly.
During the night rounds, 5th beat Kapan Park police station, 2 constables, they were told by some passers-by that there is some problem in Sky Bar and it is still open, though it had to be closed at 11:30. So the constables went up, they were taking the photograph and videograph. At that time there was some argument and it is alleged by the constables that some people manhandled them. So based on that, on their complaint, a case is registered.
Joining us is Deepa Balakrishnan, CNN correspondent from Bangalore. Deepa, who has finally filed this FIR and what does it say?
Well, this FIR is registered in the Kaban Park police station by one of the beat constables who was on duty that day, who has said that when he approached this place, the Sky Bar, to take pictures, take videographic evidence of a case, a possible violation of the legal time limit, the prescribed time limit at which time the bar should have been closed. He was only collecting evidence. He in fact did not even enter it to interfere with what was happening inside the bar, because he says that's the instruction given to him by the police top brass. But at that time they were actually stopped, questioned, even threatened and hit at by some of the patrons inside that bar. In his complaint, he has alleged that there were at least 7 people in this incident who were involved. Accused number 1 is Somashekar Gowda. He is a person who is known to be close to some of the MLAs of the Congress party. At the same time, accused number 2 is Vijay Kashapanavar, who is an MLA of the Hungun constituency, and 5 other unidentified persons. That is what the FIR says, that these are other people who were with them at the bar at that time, but he was not able to identify them by name or by identity.
All right, Deepa Balakrishnan reporting from Bangalore. Thanks very much for that. Remember, the state has been unwilling to act against this Congress MLA. Deepa earlier spoke to the Home Minister of Karnataka.
So there have been many complaints about high-handedness by your party MLAs against police officials.
I see there may be some incidents, there's some complaints, but there are 2 versions are there. Our MLA's version is different, police officers' version is different. These are all should be investigated, and the investigated officer should come with the facts. There is no other officer of my department complained to me there's any threat from any MLA so far.
Is it a time-bound inquiry?
These are all routine inquiries. I cannot give a time-bound follow-up. As early as possible, and let those people will submit their report.